Y'all stay tuned. They sure look good, though.
I know, and I'm babe.
Close up. Mmm. Now I'm gonna eat them.
Should I cut this all twisted? Oops. Brandon.
Yeah.
You can come in. I'm not video right now. Yeah. You're gonna be on the bloopers now.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
You know, a blooper moments. Tell Bella to come over by you because she's in here
Come on,
trying
Bella.
to
Let's go.
pant or
Come
something.
on. Bella, let's go. Come on. Bella, come here. Come on.
Cone doggy. She won't stop eating herself.
This is how we make videos. Okay. Oh my gosh, these smell so good.
Mm-hmm. Oh, get that door. It's